Now we can discuss the factor affecting the local concentration, the concentration around a person in a room. So now in this lecture we can discuss about those factors that can affect the concentration of particles or the concentration of contaminants around a person in a isolation rooms. So in a room, so first the concentration of particle would tend to increase with the rate of production of a particle in the room. So as you know that if the concentration of particle like bacteria and viruses are present in room, their production rate is very high, then they are increased very rapidly. So for that, first is that we can reduce the concentration of these particle mean those contaminants like bacteria, viruses and other things. So secondly, the proportion of supply and exhaust air quantity is in relation to the size of the room. So the supply, if the supply and exhaust system in relation with to size of room is good, then and the particles, the concentration of particles will decrease. Like if standard recommend that uh, 12 or 20 ACH are needed in one room, one isolation room. So we can change, we can supply and exhaust air in that ratio, that in 1 hour the 12 time air changes of in room. So then the concentration of particle will decrease. The third is the level of filtration of supplied air will affect the ability of the ventilation system to dilute the room air particle concentration. So similarly, if the filtration system is good, like we use good quality of filters, and these we can change filter rapidly according to standard, then the filter can dilute the particles. So the filter can filter the air, we dilute the concentration of particles in the room. So this can is very also very useful. Fourth is that air turbulence and air movement in the room can transport particles. So the method of air distribution will affect local concentration. So these are the four method that can decrease the effect of contaminant or the concentration of contaminant that present in room.